One thing I don't like is black people scamming other black people. It seems like the black community is the plight for people to just snatch and feed off of, like blood-sucking, thirsty vampires and whatnot. Young, you gotta understand, these people out here who's giving out this information, some of them don't even know half of what they talking about and whatnot. You don't even know if I know what I'm talking about and whatnot, but I know what I'm talking about because I've been doing what I've been doing for a very long time and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? So you can tell when somebody's being authentic or you can tell when somebody's bullshitting. There's no such thing as a credit sweep. There is rapid repair, but you got to go through a mortgage lender and you got to have the money up front. So nothing is fast. Nothing is in the microwave and come out really quick and then all of a sudden you rich and whatnot. Nah, man, I'm still trying to get rich and this shit takes a long time, man. It could be quick for some people and it could be a challenging road for some people. It all depends on whatever your life is and how quickly you are able to learn and grasp concept and actually implement the concept and make it work. So stop trying to get shit so fast because you ain't gonna get no results quick. You're not gonna get a six-pack in 6 weeks unless you actually do sit-up. You're not gonna learn how to build a business until you open your business and start marketing. You're not gonna be able to make no money until you get in front of the camera and start talking. You know what I'm saying? So there's a bunch of things you need to do and overcome in order for you to get what you gotta get. So there's nothing quick, and understand that. So just put the work in and you'll get whatever you gotta get. However long it takes is however long it takes, general.